everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video on YouTube and it's going to be a travel vlog. So I'm here in Panchgani and we're staying at Hotel Prospect, which is the hotel that made Panchgani a tourist destination. It started in 1912, so it's a heritage property, and I'm going to show you guys around, show you our meals. We've checked in here on the 14th of February और हम निकलने वाले 16th को, so we are staying for 2 nights, and I'm going to show you all our meals and around the property, and I'm going to give you all the details towards the end about how much it costs to stay here and how the meals are and everything in detail. So come, let's go into the property and see what it looks like. So we're walking towards the reception area, everybody, and it is so cute. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुती वाला स्वागत दे रहा है विदुर आप लोगों को गाइस. Easy. So there's a very cute, there are 2 pets on the property called Izzy and Pablo. They're very sweet and friendly. This is the reception area, and beyond this is the dining area. That's the dining area. We're headed for lunch. Meanwhile, before I go for lunch, let me show you. They have a lot of vintage props over here. Phone, fans. That is that called a gramophone? I could be wrong. Anyways, that's a typewriter. Here there are, यहाँ पीछे आपको दिख रहे, these are some old bills from the hotel. This is a lot of old stuff. There are a bunch of rooms on that side. I won't go there because I guess there are people staying. And yeah, look outside. It's so beautiful out here. So let me show you what the lunch spread looks like. It was massive, starting off with this yummy broccoli soup. So we have some veg cutlet, we have turaiya sabzi, then there's aloo gobi, paneer ka sabzi, there is aloo with gravy, there is beans again with aloo. There's a lot of aloo today on the table. We have some broccoli soup, and this is
the gajar meva achar.
Okay, this is a very typical Parsi achar. It's called gajar meva achar.
This is the veg section.
This is the veg section.
Non-veg is coming now.
Yes. So we are right now in the common area of our sunset cottage, and this is very beautiful. They have a lot of vintage stuff over here, like these tables, chairs. There are a bunch of paintings as well, and they're so cute. And there's also a bookshelf. Like I told you, many places in this hotel has a lot of bookshelves with a lot of books that you can pick and read. So come, let me show you around. This is my favorite corner. It's so cute. You can just sit out of here and work if you are someone who's coming to, on a workation as they call it nowadays, and you can come sit here, work. They'll serve you your morning tea and your afternoon high tea over here. And you can even order for your starters, guys, before dinner. If you're sitting and chilling with your family and friends, you can call for your starters over here and enjoy it while you play some games, and then head to the dining area for dinner. To show everyone the lock.
This is the Marshall Sir Thomas lock. It's a Victorian lock with the keys.
It's very cool, the key.
Yeah.
Show the key chain, which is super heavy.
It's a super heavy keychain.
So that's
Show them the room.
our room number 24. It's a very cozy room. That's the bed. We have a TV, kettle, just the generic stuff. This seating is very sweet. It's got like a little table, और फिर ये drawer भी खुलता है guys यहाँ पर. इतना sweet है. And there's a small dressing table. And we have a mirror. And this is the bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom. हमारा सब सामान यहाँ पड़ा, तो मैं यहाँ दिखाऊंगी नहीं. But this is a nice big cupboard. We have a good wash basin, a huge bath area, and a huge area to do your business. So a remaining part of the room tour. This is a small room. We've already used this area. So there are 2 beds over here that you can stay in. There's also an attached bathroom. And the best part is, check it out. It's looking so beautiful. You can see we are in the golden hour. And you can sit here and enjoy your tea like we did yesterday. So we're just coming out of our room. You guys have already seen the room. It's really beautiful. 2 people can stay comfortably.
It's a sunset cottage.
Yeah,
If
and
you
I'll
want to
tell you
use the
why it's
same
called a
room-
sunset cottage, because वहाँ पीछे sunset होता है. And look at the surroundings. It's so pretty here. Let me show you what the outdoors of our cottage area looks like. So there are I think four rooms here, 4 or 5 rooms here, and it is so beautiful. Such lovely tall trees. It's so nice. And there are these cute little benches and chairs over here you can sit. There's a swing over there where you can chulofy and have a great time. So this is our room tour, and that's our room. So that's another entry to our room. Now let us take you to the pool side. Every little corner of this resort is clean and green and absolutely beautiful. A lot of vintage vibes all around us. So this is the pool area, and there are a bunch of cottages here as well. यहाँ जिम है जहाँ विदुर आने वाला था बट आया नहीं. काफ़ी अच्छा जिम है. There's a lot of stuff for you to work out if you are someone who works out on a holiday. I'm not a person who works out in general, तो holiday तो दूर की बात है. But this is the poolside cottages. There are, I think, 4 or 5 cottages here as well. And the pool area is beautiful, surrounded by trees. The water is very cold, so we are not swimming. This is the Oakwood Suites. These are really cute. Outside each suite there's a swing, so you get your own personal swing. वैसे तो हर suite के बाहर है guys, but yeah, I find this place to be very very cozy. These cottages look really cute. See? So this is very close to the pool as well. वैसे हमारा भी room pool के काफ़ी पास है. And every corner has these cute little benches and lamps. And यहाँ से ऊपर जाओगे तो एक bungalow आता है, which I will take you to next. This is their bungalow. So this bungalow has 5 rooms, and you can book each room separately, or if you're coming as a family and you want the entire space, you can even book the entire space. It has a whole courtyard and all inside, I guess. I'm not sure. They had told us something yesterday, but my bad, I completely forgot. Come on, let's go into the PlayStation. जहाँ actually PlayStation है नहीं. It's not locked. I thought it's locked. So this is the play area. If you are coming with kids, or even if you're just a group, it's a fun place to have some great time. There's table tennis. We have one more small table for playing table tennis. इधर है foosball table, there's carom boards, there's some place where you can just relax. Beanbag bhi hai. And like these, there are like 3-4 shelves around the property with lots of books. If you like to read this, you guys will love it. And here we also have some badminton bats. So yeah, badminton rackets. Sorry, badminton rackets. So this is just the play area. हम आए हैं यहाँ पर Sunberry Farms, जो होटल प्रॉस्पेक्ट के ओनर्स का ही एक फार्म है, where they grow fresh strawberries that goes into all the food that they make. So let me show you around. It's such a beautiful farm. They have a lot of stuff. I can see garlic, I can see tomatoes, I can see a lot of strawberry. So I'm in an entire strawberry field. Let me show you guys. There's a person right in front of me plucking fresh strawberries. So let me show you that. Check it out. So I'm sharing only this clip from our strawberry plucking experience, because I've made a whole nother video on our entire experience that I'd like you to see and know more about a Sunberry Farm, so don't forget to check that out. I did not shoot much at dinner, but here's a glimpse of what we had. Good morning from Prospect. So this was our last morning before we left back for Mumbai, and here's a massive spread from the most delicious breakfast we had. So we just got done with our breakfast here at Prospect. It was quite a nice spread, lots of items to pick from. चिया पुडिंग था, फिर पैनकेक्स एंड पराठा, बहुत सारे आइटम्स थे. आप लोगों ने क्लिप्स में देख ही लिए होंगे. बहुत ही फ्रेश एंड बहुत ही डिलिशियस ब्रेकफास्ट था हमारा. बहुत सारा खा लिया है, एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग आउट. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली इन लव विद दिस प्रॉपर्टी. लेट मी शो यू गाइज समवन वेरी स्पेशल दैट यू गाइज नीड टू से हेलो टू. Hi, Izzy. Hello, Miss Izzy. Cutie. So you guys have seen our experience of Hotel Prospect so far. As you guys have seen, बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है, and this is something you all have been waiting to know, which is the price.
Ta-da!
And what all does the price
One
include?
second. I will reveal first thing something first. So, whatever this Sundar face tells, okay, जो भी प्राइस बोलेगी, it is totally worth it because it includes what and what's the price.
So it is 6,000 with 6,000
Plus
plus
tax.
taxes. I'm messing this up every time. ये तीसरा take है, by the way. 6,000 plus taxes for one person, which includes all your meals, that is breakfast, lunch, dinner, as well as a high tea. That is when you come during season time. And अगर आप off season आ रहे हो, which is generally the weekdays, it is 8,500 plus taxes for two people. So I think the best time to come here is during a weekday, and otherwise also even if you come during a weekend, it's a great pricing क्योंकि कोई भी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में जाओ एक टाइम का मील इतना होता है. सो उसके लिए आई फील लाइक विद द स्टे एज वेल एज 4 meals, this is an insanely good price, especially for this massive property. And Vidur, tell me what has been your most favorite part of this staycation. I'm getting distracted because there are lots of birds and squirrels running on the trees.
Okay, other than food, which has a lot of options, like you'll be spoiled for option. Itna khana hai, and it's unlimited, and they will stuff strawberry down your mouth.
We've come during strawberry season,
Yeah.
इसलिए guys, I don't know अगर round the year
Round
strawberry
the year
मिलता है
नहीं
नहीं,
होएगा.
but they do sell jams and everything. They also make strawberry preserve, मतलब वो crush वगैरह बना के रखते हैं, तो you might get some strawberry something when you come.
Yeah. So my take on the stay is I cannot wait to come back. I have not left the property till now, but I cannot wait to come back again because the place is so sundar and so peaceful that it is basically worth every penny spent and worth every time you spend coming to Panchgani from whichever city you come from. I come from Bombay. It took us 6 hours.
Yeah,
And
the
it
drive
was
from Bombay is quite hectic. It is 6 hours. But if you're
But-
someone coming from Pune,
Yeah.
तो तुम्हारे लिए 3 घंटे
3 घंटा
में
है.
this is an excellent property to stay at if you're coming from Pune.
But
Especially
6 घंटा
worth it.
और 6
If you're
घंटा
coming from Bombay, we would suggest that you stay
for 2
nights.
days, 2 nights.
2 nights at
हाँ,
least.
हम
'cause
भी
you
2
need
रात
one-
रहते हैं.
You need 1 night to recover from the long drive. But if you're coming from Pune, I think 1 night is more than
One
enough.
night is more than, but after driving for 6 hours, when you reach here and you see the property, you see the love, you see the how good they host you and everything, it's totally worth it. So my experience, if I had to rate it out of 5, I will give you 4.5 because 0.5 is just I don't like to give anyone 5, but 4.5 for sure, something I would love to come back to. How was your experience, Mansi?
My experience was good. अभी धूप मेरे मुंह पर आ रहा है. But anyways, my experience was great. My favorite part is the greenery around here. I love living around plants, and this place is filled with plants. It's, by the way, it is 4 acres of land, and there are tall trees, like massive trees, and there are lots of flowering plants as well over here that you guys will see. So it's absolutely stunning. So if you are someone who loves greenery, तो ये जगह आपको definitely बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. This is a very awkward angle that we're shooting in right now because
अच्छा,
धूप
धूप
directly
आ रही है.
मेरे face पर आ रहा है. But definitely guys, you need to come here. बाकी सब तो आपने देख लिया होगा वीडियो में. Just one point I would like to say is that strawberry plucking was an activity that we did because we just asked them, is this something that you guys have over here? And they said yes, we do.
Luckily, we got lucky.
We got lucky, and this is strawberry season. Last of the season, March में खत्म हो जाती है strawberries. So we got the opportunity to go to one of the farms that is nearby. It's called Sunberry Farms. ये इन लोगों का ही farm है. वहाँ पर और 3 बंगलो है. So if you guys don't get a stay here and want to stay there, you all can do that as well. So we went there. We plucked some strawberries. We ate some fresh strawberries, like literally pluck करके हमने खाई है. So you guys have seen clips of that as well. So it was a great experience so far. यहाँ पर ज़्यादा activities है नहीं. The only activities that we have over here, there's a swimming pool, and all you need to do all day is just
game
like
center.
eat and sleep. Oh yeah, there's a game place,
room.
Game room that has badminton rackets, there's
Badminton,
table
table tennis, carom, and foosball.
foosball, and there are lots of books all around the property, so you can pick a book and read if you are someone who's a bookworm. So I think that's about it from our stay over here. We had a lovely time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my very first video, so you will
Show
see
some
the
love to my wife.
nervousness
This is her
in
first
the
vlog.
video. You will see some nervousness in the video, but hopefully I'll get better at it.
Yeah, you will.
Please let me know in the comments what is the length, like आपको कितने लंबे videos देखना पसंद है. Do you guys like videos that are 5-7 minutes long or longer than that, or like under 15 minutes, whatever it is? Let me know in the comments if any of you all are commenting, तो मुझे थोड़ा idea मिल जाएगा कि मैं next videos कैसे बनाऊँ. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and you guys can subscribe and like, and what else is there?
Like, subscribe, comment,
Yeah,
and
all
keep
of that.
following us.
I'm putting हम दोनों का Instagram down, so please follow us. If you guys don't already know, we are husband and wife, by the way.
Yeah. What's your Instagram, Mansi?
My Instagram is the millionth foodie. This is how Vidur says it in his vlogs.
So
So
I'll
go
tell
watch his vlogs also, guys. Uska is his Instagram is called God Binge On, and his
Keep
YouTube is
following
called
us
Vidur
on
Kapoor.
Instagram. We go by the name God Binjon
And
and
the
the
Millionth
Millionth Foodie. Bye.